In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks with same data in Asana. We're going to walk through how to quickly duplicate an existing task so you can reuse the same details without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, head to Asana and sign in. I'll use the Continue with Google option since it's fast and secure. When prompted, choose your Google account to complete the sign-in. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so you see the right projects and tasks. Once you're in, open the project where the original task lives. A quick note before we duplicate. Asana doesn't let you copy and paste an entire template with every single detail in one move, but it does provide a reliable duplicate task feature. That's exactly what we'll use to carry over the key information you want. Now find the task you want to copy in your projects list. Right-click on that task to open the context menu. From there, select Duplicate Task. This tells Asana to create a new task based on the one you selected, so you don't have to rebuild fields or content manually. A setup window appears so you can customize the copy. Start by giving the new task a clear name. I recommend using a consistent naming pattern like adding the client, date, or sprint name. Clear naming helps you identify your copies later and keeps your project tidy. Next, choose exactly what to include in the duplicate. You can carry over the task description if you rely on detailed instructions. Include the assignee if this task always belongs to the same person, or leave it unassigned if you'll decide later. Bring over subtasks to preserve checklists or step-by-step actions. Include attachments if you want documents or images to follow the task. And keep tags if they're part of your reporting or filtering workflow. Think of these toggles as your way to control what repeats and what stays flexible. When everything looks right, click Create New Task. Asana will generate the copy instantly and drop it into your project. Take a quick glance to confirm the name, included details, and that it appears in the expected section or list. That's it, you've created a new task with the same data as your original in just a few clicks. Using duplicate tasks is a simple way to standardize work, speed up planning, and reduce errors. Repeat this process whenever you need a consistent task foundation, and you'll keep your projects moving efficiently.